talk about Botox. Botox is one of the most misunderstood treatments around, so I'm going to talk a little bit about it. This is for the novices. If you haven't used it before, if you don't know anything about it, this is for information purposes only. So Botox is a temporary muscle relaxant, and what it does is it treats dynamic lines. So when you put an expression and it creates a line, that is what Botox is going to treat. If you have any lines that are already etched in there, it will take a little bit longer. But the purpose of Botox is a temporary muscle relaxant, and what that does, it prevents you from being able to do the full contraction, therefore preventing you from being able to create that line and wrinkle, and that is how it smooths out areas. Botox lasts for about 3 to 4 months, and then it's broken down and disappears from the body. It is a great treatment when you have a stubborn line that you're unhappy about and you want to get rid of. If you're starting to notice the early signs of aging and you just want to take a bit of control over it and just slow it down, that is where Botox steps in. Now, I say it's very misunderstood because people often confuse it with dermal filler, but Botox doesn't actually change your face in any way in terms of the structure. So it doesn't add any filling or volume. You look exactly like yourself, just like you're not pulling that expression, which means it can go completely undetectable from people that know you. The only thing I should add though is that it's a very safe treatment and it's a very predictable treatment in experienced hands. It takes a very thorough understanding of anatomy to make sure that all of your muscles and your natural expression are respected. I do a really thorough examination before treating any patient, even the most basic areas, because some things can be easily missed, and that's what results in bad experiences. Making sure you see a registered medical professional puts you in the safest hands to have these treatments done.